Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix iPhone no service after iOS 17 update. Let's explore the solutions for iPhone no service issue. But first, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is switch airplane mode. If you're experiencing issues with your iPhone service after using airplane mode, a simple solution is to cycle airplane mode on and off. This process will reset your device wireless functions, which might clear up any minor connectivity problems. For this, navigate to settings, then locate the airplane mode and then toggle the airplane mode switch to the on position, which will disable all of the phone's wireless features. Allow about 30 seconds to pass before you return to the settings and turn airplane mode off, thereby reactivating your wireless service. After this, verify if your iPhone cellular service has been re-established and you are done. The next step is reinsert SIM card. Have you ever encountered an iPhone that has a SIM card inserted but no service? Removing the SIM card and reinserting it on the iPhone will prompt the iPhone to reconnect to the mobile network, which will help resolve any network connectivity issues. And the next step is force restart your iPhone. Initiating a force restart on an iPhone. For this, quickly press and release the volume up button and do the same with the down button and press the power button. And then slide to power off, and after some time press the power button until you see the Apple logo on your home screen. And you are done. And the next step is check for iOS update. You can check if there is a latest update available to fix no service on iPhone issue. Apple often releases minor updates to fix bugs and issues that arise after major software release. For this, open the settings apps on your iPhone. Scroll down and then tap on general. And then tap on software update. Wait until the page is loading. If there is an available update, you will see the version number and an option to update now. Tap on it to proceed. The update will download and then install on your iPhone. Your iPhone may restart during this process and you are done. And the next step is reset network settings. To fix iPhone no service after iOS 17 update, a reset of the device network settings is an often and effective solution. For this, go to settings. Scroll down and then tap on general. Scroll down to the bottom and then tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Next, tap on reset. From here, tap on reset network settings. Enter your lock screen passcode to confirm the action. Your iPhone will restart and the network settings will be restored to the default values. Connect your iPhone to your Wi-Fi again and verify whether the problem has been resolved. And you are done. And the next step is update DNS settings. Sometimes adjusting the DNS server setting can resolve to service on iPhone issue. For this, open the settings app and then tap on Wi-Fi, and then tap on the eye icon next to your connected Wi-Fi. Scroll down. From here, you will see the option of configure DNS. Tap on it and then select to manual. Enter the new DNS server addresses that you prefer to use, such as Google or Cloudflare. Then tap the save button located in the upper right corner and you are done. I hope this solution will fix your issue of iPhone no service after iOS 17 update, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.